Hello guys! Welcome back ulit dito sa aking page. So for this video, pag-uusapan natin itong problem na if f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 2x plus 4, what is f of 2? So if makaka-encounter po kayo ng problems like this, it's very simple. What you have to do is just to substitute the given value of x. So dito the given value of x is 2. So we will just substitute 2 dito sa ating given function. So basically, it will become, okay, f of x will become f of 2. Okay, that is equal to 2. So yung x natin, given po siya, binigyan tayo ng value na 2. So substitute lang natin siya. So 2. And then squared plus 2, and then x, which is 2 plus 4. So take note, these are the x's, okay? Ayan siya, dito sa ating original na function. And then, you can just multiply it or simplify it. So our f of 2, okay, is just equal to 2. What is 2 raised to 2? Is 4. Okay, plus 2 times 2, that's 4, plus 4. So basically, our f of 2, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 4 plus 4 is 8. So our f of 2 is just equal to 16. So napakasimple lang po ng problem natin. So I hope meron po kayong natutunan. Thank you so much po sa panonood ng aking video.